Picture this. It's 2 a.m., city lights flickering like distant stars outside my window, but inside my tiny apartment, pure darkness. My hands tremble as I scroll through statement after statement, $47,000 in credit card debt staring back like a silent accusation. Not just numbers, chains, heavy, invisible chains wrapped around my future. How did one man's simple dream of a better life twist into this nightmare? It started so innocently. A new laptop for work that felt essential. A weekend getaway to escape the grind. Late night dinners to forget the stress. But every swipe whispered the same lie. Pay it next month. Next month never came. Only minimum payments, those quiet traps, compounding interest like slow poison, pulling me deeper under the surface every single day. I remember the exact moment it broke me. Standing in front of a cracked bathroom mirror, eyes hollow from another sleepless night, I whispered to my reflection, "This can't be my story." But it was, until the night I chose to rewrite it. Like an investigative journalist chasing the truth behind the numbers, I tore everything apart. I slashed every unnecessary expense. No more lattes, no streaming services, no impulse buys. I hunted for side hustles in the margins of my day, late night freelancing, weekend deliveries, anything that put extra cash in the fight. The Amassers.com debt domino drop was my secret. Paying the smallest card first, then more and more debt dominoes fell that kept my fire alive. Financial experts have long said it's not just math, it's momentum. And they were right. Each paid-off card felt like snapping one more link in the chain, but here came the twist no one sees coming. 6 months in, I lost my job, the very income I'd built everything around. Despair hit like a wave. In that darkness, though, I stumbled on a forgotten passion, photography. I turned it into simple online courses sold on the side. Overnight, it exploded in ways I never imagined, flooding my account with unexpected thousands. Opportunity, I learned, hides in the chaos if you're willing to look. Month after month, the mountain shrank. 11 months later, I clicked pay in full on the final card. Silence. No more dread, no more chains, just freedom. Now I wake up to real possibilities. Investing without fear, traveling without guilt, building wealth that actually lasts. If you're buried under debt right now, hear this. Your story isn't over. It's only beginning. One decision, one step, one night like mine. Chains can become wings. Visit Amassers.com to start finding your freedom today.